Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing a situation where your Lenovo Ideapad 5 powers on but the screen remains completely dark, you're not alone. This issue often occurs due to a malfunctioning backlight or a problem with the display itself. If left unchecked, it can lead to further damage, making repairs more costly and complicated. To successfully tackle this issue, you'll need a few tools. Gather a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement screen if needed. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Next, carefully remove the back cover of the Lenovo Ideapad 5. Use your plastic prying tool to gently lift the edges, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Once the back cover is off, locate the display connector, which is usually situated near the hinges of the laptop. This connector is responsible for transmitting signals to the screen, and a loose or damaged connection could be the source of your issue. Carefully disconnect the display cable by pulling it straight out of its socket. If you observe any visible damage or wear, this might indicate the need for a replacement screen. To do this, unscrew the screws holding the screen in place with your Phillips screwdriver. Remember to keep these screws safe, as you will need them later. After removing the screws, gently lift the screen away from the laptop body. Be cautious of any remaining cables attached to the screen, as you don't want to damage them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old screen removed, take your new screen and carefully connect it to the display cable. Make sure it's securely connected before proceeding. Once connected, position the screen back into place and reattach the screws to secure it. After that, replace the back cover of your laptop, ensuring all clips are properly aligned and secured. Finally, power on your Lenovo Ideapad 5 and check whether the backlight is functioning correctly. If everything works as it should, congratulations! You've successfully completed the repair. To prevent future issues, ensure that your device is kept clean and free from dust, and avoid applying excessive pressure on the screen during use. Additionally, consider using a screen protector to safeguard against accidental damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.